Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are in Vetro, in Oberoi, Mumbai. You can watch me in Grazia, India. Okay, today we do the risotto with the Jerusalem artichoke, reduction of wine, and a big kale powder. Okay, let's start. Put the pan really hot, without any base. So make the rice start to take out all amid. When it becomes really hot, we will put the veggie stock inside. Now, add the stock. Just put inside. Slowly, we continue to cook. The risotto is almost 11-12 minutes for cooking. This one is almost cooked. We put just a bit more stock. Stock we do with the carrot, the onion, a bit celery. Just veggie stock. The last 2 minutes we put the Jerusalem artichoke inside before we blend. Just a bit oil, salt, and that's it. We will put inside. And voila. We cook last minute with the puree inside. Okay, after this, we take out for the fire and we put the butter, the Parmesan cheese, a bit olive oil, nice, and a bit pepper. One minute, and to rest a bit, and voila. Now, we mix everything well. Everything. We finish with the red wine reduction. Give a bit acidity. And a bit kale powder. Okay? Voila. These are simple but really tasty.